What's up guys? It's Perkin from Steady Trades. In this video we're going to go over Bollinger Bands. So Bollinger Bands are plotted two standard deviations above and below a moving average. Right here you can see the orange line is a moving average and the Bollinger Band below, two deviations below and above. Generally about 95% of a security's historical price movement is likely contained within the two Bollinger Bands. This info can help traders add context to trends and identify when trends are overextended. When the price moves outside the bands, probability theory says the price will eventually revert back to the moving average. This is another super simple indicator, but I think it's one that all traders should know. Right now, I'm about to hop into some examples of when this can be used when trading. So right here in this orange circle, we can see the price broke below the lower band. And when it did break, it immediately moved back up towards the moving average. Again, only a few minutes later. Price was up to the moving average and we had a massive selling candle and it broke below. The next candle and then the following candles immediately moved the price back up towards the moving average. Minutes later here, the price broke above the higher band and right when it did, it immediately moves back down and eventually gets back to the moving average. These three examples are all just minutes away, and this happens constantly every day in the intraday charts. This is why I love this indicator so much. It usually, 99% of the time, will fall back to the moving average once it breaks below or above a higher or lower band. We can scroll and check out some more examples. Right here, the price opened above the higher band, and it immediately falls back down towards the moving average. You can see generally price action stays in between these bands. Again here, breaks below, immediately moves back towards the moving average. Breaks a tiny bit above right here, immediately back towards the moving average. So yeah, this is how Bollinger Bands work. A super simple indicator, but a must know for traders. Hopefully this video gave you some insight about what the Bollinger Band indicator is and how to use it when trading. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.